I have listened to what Raila Odinga had to say regarding the finance bill and the measures that he's going to take. First of all, I must say that I'm happy that for the first time Raila seems to be changing tune and coming to God. First of all, he started his speech by quoting the Bible. So he's learning very well from William Ruto. He should have learned this before, maybe. But anyway, the best time was yesterday. The next best time is today. So I am happy that he's learning to come to God, and that he now quotes the Bible, and he seems to be coming nearer to God. If you listen to his speech, it had a lot of godliness, which is what has been lacking in his side of the coalition. So the country might be going in the right direction after all. Secondly, the measures that Mr. Raila Odinga proposes are a mock to his followers and to everybody who is hustling in this country. You know, we don't come to work because we want. We come to work because it's a necessity and we want to earn a living. First of all, those people he's inciting against going to work and working and not not being at work properly are the people that are the few Kenyans who have employment. The rest of Kenyans do not have employment. So first of all, he needs to understand that the percentage of people who are able to come to work, who are able to go to work is the smaller percentage. And Raila Odinga has called us to boycott Safaricom not so long ago.